Hello, my name is Milvad, and today we are going to see how can use chunk in the Eloquent in the Laravel. Chunk is a very helpful method that's the chunk method breaks a collection into a smaller collection of a given size. That's, for example, we have a uh, 20 20 products in the, for example, in the collection. And when we are using chunk method, that breaks the collection into a smaller array, for example, from 20 bricks to a 2 collection, and that's each collection have a 10, for example, products. Okay, now we are going to work with them. Here I declare a variable name products, and I use get here, and I use dd for show the data. Refresh, and here we have a array that the length of the array is 50, and it's a collection. And okay, here if you want to use chunk, you can use chunk. The first param is the count, is the int, and for example we want to add to each 50 products, move to a new collection or new array. And here is a callback, that is the collection, and it's a collection, or you can say products. Here we can access to products, and here we can do a process. For example, we want to update each product. Here products, here products as a product, and we want to update, for example, update created add to now. Let's see it working well or not, and return true. And here you can comment this and check the data. Okay, here the created add of each product updated to now, and for check the date is go to timeanddate.com. Here is the date, and here is the time. It's 26 April 2023, and time is 7 p.m. Okay, is a chunk method, and you can, if you want to learn more or read the documentation of the Laravel, you can go to laravel.com docs version 10x and or 10 Eloquent, and the chunking result section, and it's a additional description about the chunk method. And the next method is a chunkById. Okay, I comment this line and remove this comma and uncomment here. I use chunkById. It's the first param is a count, is the same with the chunk method. Second param is the callback, and here is the column, and the column is null, but is the default column is the ID. And if you want to change this, you can, for example, use title. And here we have a price updated at, okay. Now, and sub, for example, sub day, 1 day, and refresh, return true. Okay, here is the 25 and it's a 26 and work correctly. And okay, the last section is the chunking using lazy collection. Lazy collection, you can search lazy collection Laravel in the collection, and here we have a lazy collection. And in the future I record a video for this section is the collection and lazy collection. Okay, here I close it, and for lazy collection I can remove this. Here is a lazy by ID. Chunk size is a for example how it's 50, and the don't have a, I copy this, remove it, and here's the column, is the default column is the ID, and if you want to change you can change it. And you can use each is the like a for each, and update, for example created at is the now at day, and let's see. Okay, here I think it's a 27. Yes, it's working correctly. Maybe you have a question about the when use lazy, for example collection. If you have a lot of record and you want to chunk a lot of record, for example 500 records, that is a good use lazy by ID. But for example we have a, for example 50 for example rows, is better use chunk. And you can read the documentation for more information. And justice is a chunking in the Laravel Eloquent. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, you can like my video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye for next video.